Hi, it's Alex from Chemo Snacks. If you were watching on our page about 5 minutes ago, I did the exact same video, but there was no sound. So we've come back for take 2. Right, as I was saying, what I'm going to be doing is a little bit of a series. People have been asking me what they can do with their everyday family meals. And I'm making stuffed capsicum tonight, and I thought I would share with you some of the swap outs that you can use so you can still enjoy this meal with your family despite treatment side effects. Now the first one here is I made up a chili last night. For goodness sake, if you have a sore or sensitive mouth, chili is not going to do anybody any good. Perhaps you can swap out chili for a plain bolognese sauce instead. Now what I'm going to do also is you can see how I've cut my capsicums in half like this. What a lot of people do when they're making this dish is they use a full capsicum, chop the top off, fill it up, put the lid back on, put it in the oven. That's a lot of food if you don't have a big appetite. By cutting them in half and laying them out like this and filling them like this, it can make a meal more doable. Now, so we'll just pop some of these into here. As I say, I've made this with ground beef. Now, for metallic taste, can swap that for a white meat. So you can use chicken, turkey, pork, and if the smells of cooking meat put you off, then perhaps switch to something that's more plant-based. So make like a lentil bolognese to go in this instead. Once I've filled these up, what I would normally do is top them off with some Parmesan cheese or any other cheese that's in the fridge. Now you know my story by now, I had horrendous constipation when I was having my treatment, and dairy is something that I wouldn't go near if I was suffering that again, so I would just omit that altogether. And these go into the oven. Again, for a sore, sensitive mouth, you don't want crispy bits that can aggravate the soreness. What I would be doing is covering these with foil. It keeps everything soft and moist and just makes it much easier to eat. So there we go, that's the first one. Let me know if you have any other day-to-day recipes that you have with your family that you want some modifications on, and I'd be happy to do those for you. So I'll see you next time. See you.